Hello, this is Sue Grant again, and this is a follow-on video for the Discovery 58 AQUALUNA. You will see on our YouTube channel and on our website a full video that we did a little while ago. But it was just after she had finished her refit period at Berthon Boat Company, and she was looking a little plain. So we thought it was worthwhile just rerunning a second video to show you the yacht dressed and looking absolutely lovely. I'm afraid that the video was taken on a rather grey day in the UK at the Berthon shipyard, with AQUALUNA safely tucked up in the customs warehouse with us. But we have put out all her lovely cockpit upholstery and will show you what she looks like in completely finished state. You saw these panels before, the solar panels, and you see she's got great cockpit upholstery. Where we're walking through now, there is more sunbathing upholstery. And you come into this vast cockpit. The cockpit cushions are super comfortable, and all of the controls, as with all Discoveries, for the sail handling is here. It means that when you're sailing two-handed, no one has to leave the cockpit. Just as a reminder, AQUALUNA has a fully battened mainsail and a single wheel arrangement, perfect for two people to do the world aboard. Loads of space here. Great place to be when you're on passage. Great place to put your feet up and read a book. Just splendid. And now we're going to go down below and see how she would look when you were on board her, with her as your new yacht. So here we are, lovely maple interior. Engine room access. I do love this, with engine generator, everything else in here. All tickety-boo, serviced, decommissioned and ready to be put back together for when she goes back into commission. Lovely white leather upholstery, very comfortable. Flat screen pops up from there. Light absolutely floods in from everywhere. Lovely refinished shallow steps down into the deck saloon. And now here we are in the galley. 5-burner cooker, twin sink and drainer. Loads and loads of storage everywhere, masses of work surface, lots of light, air, ventilation. Absolutely enormous refrigeration. Of course, this is one of the things that you get on every Discovery. Full-length fridge, massive freezer just behind it. Antico flooring that is in as new condition. And those lovely hull windows looking out onto a grey customs warehouse. Now this is the owner's cabin, and the bed is made up here. Of course it's split and lee-clothed, and she's got those great vertical windows in the hull. So this really is a lovely place to be. And then burrs on the door, which is so smart with the surround, and into the owner's ensuite. Separated shower compartment, of course, very easy to keep clean, and with the same lovely maple as elsewhere on the yacht. And then back into the galley, up the steps, massive saloon. The washer dryer in this boat lives in the machine room that we've just seen. And then we've also made up the VIP cabin. What a lovely place to spend time. Massive hull windows again. We've just cloaked those. Lots of wardrobe storage. And then also the upper and lower guest cabin. These berths are really quite large and very wide. And again, lots of storage. Shared guest heads, big shower, all in perfect shape. So please do have a look at the first video and see what we mean about the fact that AQUALUNA is now dressed and ready for her new owner.